Okay, so the background about this is that Fenway will
Paw.
sit and he'll
Sit.
wait. I'm trying to say, he'll sit, he'll lie down, he won't give paw. This is what happens when we attempt to have him give us paw.
Sit. Paw. Sit. Paw. Sit.
Does that mean you don't know how?
Paw. 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 Give me your paw. 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 Can I have your paw? Paw. No. No bark. Paw. No
Hey!
Paw. 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 Hey, no. Paw. Paw. All right, sit. Hey, no, no. Lie down. Lie down. Go ahead.
Oh boy, someday.